Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen this morning. Now, this aircraft is registered by Lima Alpha November, and she's known as B-LAN because LAN stands for Local Area Network, and she is nicknamed the Local Area Network Jet. So this aircraft took flight number 63820, weight circle distance 496 kilometers, actual flight time 57 minutes, and a chop 101 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took flight 5:05 AM local time HK, and landed at 6:03 AM in Xiamen local time. So I hope she just stay on there. And for the details of Lima Alpha November, kindly check the previous video about this aircraft. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you.